Morning guys, I'm Suki. I'm going to be the driver today. As you can see, it's still a little dark outside. Bit of an early start today, but lots of exciting things awaiting us. I hope you enjoy.
Good morning guys, my name is Renier. I'm your appointed tour guide today. We are traveling from Kamishkru in South Africa to Roadhouse, Namibia. And today I'm going to discuss the areas we drive through, focusing on Springbok, the Orange River and Namibia itself. I hope that you guys will enjoy. Hi, so we arrived at Roadhouse, our destination. Suki is making a beautiful traditional potjie for us with the lamb meat and some awesome veggies. Some desserts going to be prepared, and I hope you guys will enjoy thoroughly when you eat. Thank you so much.